Changing your Xbox name on Fortnite can sound like a daunting task, but it's surprisingly straightforward. Uh, Let me guide you through it step by step, transforming what's usually a common pain point into a seamless experience. First, understand that changing your Xbox gamer tag actually changes your display name on Fortnite. So when we say change your name on Fortnite, it's really about updating your Xbox identity. And this surprises many players. Start by turning on your Xbox console and signing into your account. The whole process hinges on this crucial first step. It's like unlocking the door before entering a room. Necessary but easily overlooked. Navigate to the home screen and then to the top left corner where you'll find your profile. Selecting your gamer picture or profile icon is your next move. Think of it as choosing your name tag before entering a party. Once you're in your profile, scroll down to My Profile, and this section is key as it contains various options related to your account settings. You're almost there. It's just a matter of fine-tuning your choices. Select Customize Profile and then choose your current gamer tag. Here's where you get creative. But the first change is free. Think carefully about your new identity. It's your brand on the battlefield. Type in your desired new gamer tag. Make sure it's unique and aligns with Xbox's guidelines, as some names may already be taken. This is like naming a new pet, but with millions of users competing for the coolest name. Before finalizing, Xbox will check if your new name is available. And if it's taken, you'll need to try a different variation. This can be frustrating, like finding your ideal username on social media only to see it snapped up. Once you're happy with the name and it's available, confirm your choice. Xbox will update your gamer tag across the whole platform, and it'll reflect in Fortnite and impress those in your gaming circle. This pro tip, if you ever need to change your name again, Xbox charges a fee after the first free change. So approach this with a clear mind, effectively saving both time and money in the long run. After updating, sign out and then back into Fortnite to see the changes take effect. Imagine it like refreshing a web page. Sometimes you need a clean slate to see new updates. In case you face any issues, Xbox support is your go-to. They have ample resources and a support chat to resolve name change, hiccups, and that's don't hesitate to reach out. Sometimes we all need a little extra help. There you have it. The complete guide to changing your Xbox name on Fortnite. It's all about managing expectations and taking clear steps. And above all, enjoy your new identity on the Fortnite battlefield.